Rocco with the ball. Working up top, double teamed. Crossover, throws over to the corner to Vecchio. Vecchio drives in, finds nothing, works around, up and off the backboard and in.
Chase Vecchio finally in the scorebook this evening.
Fox Chapel crosses half court, works in, fires to the corner. Wide open three for Vento, and it's missed, rebounded by Myers. And here comes Crum up the court, crosses half court. Back to Rocco, crossover, goes up, triple teamed and fouled.
Looks like they're going to get the foul on Livingston. There we see the replay of the foul by Livingston on the right wrist of Rocco.
First one is up and good. Second one for Rocco. And it's up and good. Penn Trafford bringing the press. Fox Chapel working it up. Crosses half court. Ball is tipped, but he manages to collect it up and good for Yofan, and that'll be up and that'll be a charge call on Rocco.
Yeah, Zach Rocco is known to take over the game. Likes to control everything, and I mean that in a very, very positive way.
And the shot is up and missed. Rebound by Penn Trafford. Vento rips it out and misses the putback. Rocco, the only senior on this Penn Trafford team, honored tonight in senior night. Vecchio looking for any sports space. Talking up and good. Capson. With the three. Brings Penn Trafford within 8. Fox Chapel crosses half court. And that'll be a travel on Livingston. The ball will go back to the Warriors.
Yeah, shuffle to the feet. Here's watch the replay of the three-pointer from Capson.
Smooth jump shot. Rocco crosses up the middle, and that will be a foul on Fox Chapel. Sosnek with the foul.